Stakeholders in the environment sector have urged the federal government to designate Katampe Hill and Waterfalls as a national park. The former head of Civil Service of the Federation, Oladapo Abiodun Afolabi, and other environmentalists made the call during the official unveiling of the Where Rivers Are Born, Save Katampe Hill and Waterfalls, Restoration and Legal Personhood Campaign in Abuja. The event was organized by the Foundation for the Conservation of Nigerian Rivers in partnership with the Earth Law Center, USA Africa Program, and other environmental stakeholders. Afolabi described the move as vital to preserving Nigeria's environmental heritage, promoting sustainable tourism, and ensuring long-term water security for surrounding communities. He added that the campaign boldly combines ecological restoration with legal advocacy, including the push for legal personhood for Katampe Mountain and its surrounding ecosystems.
This campaign boldly combines restoration with an innovative legal advocacy, the pursuit of legal personhood for Katampe Mountain and its surrounding ecosystems. This is a progressive, necessary move, one that aligns with global environmental justice movements.
And when it is destroyed or destabilized, the act of bringing it back is absolutely difficult or almost impossible. So the best you can do is to protect it as it is.
For other speakers, the concept is being increasingly recognized worldwide, giving rivers, forests, and mountains the right to exist, flourish, and be protected under the law. Where Rivers Are Born program, according to them, marks a new chapter in Nigeria's environmental advocacy. The initiative aims to restore sacred headwaters, advocates for the legal rights of rivers and mountains, and reconnects people with the spiritual and cultural value of nature.
There's no actual place that you go to, apart from the garden that is scattered around residents. No nature place you can really enjoy. You don't find anywhere in Abuja. But it was so surprising to us that such a place like this is in this Abuja city. And yet we have numerous hotels where people come, they have no place to go. So with this place turning to international center, tourism center, we should expect in the next 5 years, 10 years, that this place will be overflooded by tourists coming from all over the world.
We in Katampe Resident Association, we support this move. We are fully behind it, and we will continue to push this agenda, working together with all stakeholders as necessary.
Environmental advocates believe that granting Katampe National Park status will preserve its biodiversity, protect water sources, and promote sustainable tourism for generations to come.